Hello everyone, welcome back. Do you want to let your BuddyPress members create and manage blog posts directly from the front end without giving them access to the WordPress dashboard? In this video, I'll show you how to set up member blogging in BuddyPress using WP Member Blog. Once WP Member Blog is installed and activated, head to the Member Blog settings in your WordPress dashboard. The first step is to configure the pages your members will use on the front end. WP Member Blog requires a blog submission page where members can create posts and a member dashboard page where they can view and manage their existing content. Open the pages settings and assign the appropriate pages. If you haven't created them yet, use the available page creation option to set them up. Once configured, these pages provide the front-end blogging experience your members will use. Next, decide who should be able to create blog posts. Under the access settings, select the user roles you want to allow. This gives you control over which members can use the front-end blogging features. You can then configure your publishing rules based on how you want the content to be handled. Now let's customize the writing experience for members. Under editor settings, you can choose the editor members will use when creating their posts. For this example, I'll use editor.js, which provides a clean blog-based writing interface directly on the front end. Next, open the content settings. Here you can control the categories members can use, configure how member posts appear in the activity feed, set the number of posts, and define upload limits and allowed image formats for featured images. If you are using WP Member Blog Pro, you can take the publishing workflow further with additional controls. Restrictions can help you manage how members contribute content by setting limits and publishing requirements. You can also use custom feeds to collect additional information with a post depending on the type of content your community publishes. Member Blog Pro includes additional features for creating more controlled and flexible member publishing experience, so you can configure the options that make sense for your community. Now let's see what the experience looks like for a member. After logging in, the member can open their BuddyPress profile and access the blog section. From here, they can view and manage their existing blog posts or choose to create a new one. Let's add a new post. The member can enter the title, write the content using the front-end editor, and complete the additional post fields such as selecting a category or adding a featured image. Once everything is ready, the post can be submitted or published according to the publishing rules you have configured. And all of this happens on the front end without the member needing access to the WordPress dashboard. And that's how you set up a member blogging in BuddyPress with WP Member Blog. Members now have a front-end space to create and manage their blog content while you stay in control of access, publishing, and the overall content experience. For more guides and updates on WP Member Blog and our other WordPress solutions, subscribe to our channel. You'll find links to WP Member Blog and WP Member Blog Pro in the description below. Thanks for watching.